Biology is about more than studying living things. It's about discovering meaning in the fabric of life. The Department of Biological Sciences prepares graduates who make world-shaping discoveries and understand the relationship between their faith and biology. Through experiences in the lab, field, and classroom, you'll explore the grand diversity of living things and embrace our call to care for all creation. The Department of Biological Science prepares graduates who make world-shaping discoveries and understand the relationship between their faith and biology. The biology program at Bethel gives students the space and tools to investigate the wonder and intricacies of life. You'll prepare for careers on the cutting edge of biology by building a foundation in a range of fundamentals, such as genetics, ecology, cell biology, anatomy and physiology, microbiology, botany, and biochemistry. Through investigative work in the classroom, field, and lab, biology students are prepared to be Christians immersed in scientific discovery, ready to make a difference in their chosen fields. Come and study the breadth of God's creation.